the writ petition filed by Mamata Banerjee was taken up for hearing, and Mamata Banerjee has argued her case. Few points have been argued, and the Honorable Court observed that if required, more time will be given to her to argue her matters. And one observation is important, that the Honorable Court has said to Mamata Banerjee that two important points have been taken in the petition itself that's needed to be considered and decided. The Mamata Banerjee has argued the points. Number one, only the deletion process is going on, no inclusion process has been taken up for long 4 months. Number two, there is no power to appoint micro observer and the role observer. And the role observers are, they are not subdivisional magistrate level rank. They are coming from Coal India, RBI, etc., etc. And all that micro observers have been brought from the BJP states, and argued that only in the 2 or 3 states where non-BJP is there, this is the process hurriedly is going on. But in the BJP state, the process has not been commenced, like Assam, North India, these cases. So far the logical discrepancy is concerned, she has said that very minor mistake, that has also been taken very seriously. Example given, father's name was Khan. Now this time they have printed Khan. So whose mistake it is? Court has given the example. Datta, D-U-T-T-A, Datta, D-A-T-T-A, Datta. Bandopadhyay, Banerjee. Court has given the example. Bipul, B-I-P-U-L. In Bengali it is Bipul, B-I-P-U-L. How these mistakes can be how they can be disqualified for that? Now the Election Commission has been asked to address all that issues. So many issues have been raised, and orally it has been observed by the court that they may extend the time for the hearing purpose, because only 4 days are left, and 56, 58, nearly 60 lakhs have not yet been heard, which is not possible within this short period of time. Therefore, the court has kept the matter on Monday for further hearing, and they have been asked to give it any response they want to give it. One point was raised by the Election Commission that so many SDM is not available in West Bengal like Bihar. Bihar is having 43 districts and West Bengal is having 23 districts, and every district, all the posts of subdivisional officers are filled up by the SDM, those who are IAS or WBCS senior officers. Those who are now the court has asked whether the grade 2 officers can be given to help them. The Mamata Banerjee has said yes, it can be given. Number 3 is that the court has said whether this Bengali and meaning, for that reason Bengali officers will be available or not. Mamata Banerjee has said yes. आज जो मामला हुआ है, जो था ममता बनर्जी का